Before building an app, you should ask yourself, why should I build this app? This is such an important step in the development of an app, but unfortunately, most developers just choose to ignore it. So in this video, we are going to be talking about why building a web app or a mobile app right now is such a lucrative idea. And I will be showing you numbers and examples from real apps to prove everything I say. And of course, don't forget that if you want to learn how to build a web app or a mobile app, you can go to courses here on my channel, and you can pick the Flow course if you want to learn how to build a mobile app, or you can pick the Bubble course if you want to learn how to build a web app instead. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. So let's be honest with each other here. The biggest reason why you and I and other people should build a web app or a mobile app is to make money from it. Because people right now do not use apps for free. Instead, they are paying for apps that they need or that they like to use. And the best example for this is Flow and Bubble, because these two tools have a free plan that we are using here on the channel. But if you want more stuff, you have to upgrade to one of their premium plans, which of course cost a lot of money. And this is how these tools make money. And of course, this is how you and I will make money if we build a mobile app or a web app. And honestly, the thing I like about apps is the way they make money, which is the subscription model. So for example, if I have just 1,000 users using my app, this 1,000 people will not just pay me once and then disappear. Instead, they are going to be paying me every single month. And this is the definition of passive income. And mobile apps and web apps are really good at generating this type of income. So here are examples of apps and how much money they are making. So here I am on Sensor Tower. Sensor Tower is a platform. By the way, you can create your account for completely free and have a look at some of their apps. Sorry, not their apps, but apps on the App Store and the Play Store, and how much money they are making. So this is a habit tracking app made by just one person. All right. So this guy kind of, documented his journey on Twitter, and I was following that. So it is truly built by just one person, and I have actually used this app in the past. So here they are going to be showing you how much money, how much downloads he got. So just imagine in the last 30 days, he like 10,000 people downloaded this particular app on their, on their phone. And on this side, you can see how much money he made in the last month. So I want you to focus with this number because it's not something to be taken for granted. So here, it is one person making money from one simple app. Again, this is not a new AI. This is not a new invention. It's a habit tracking app. It's a habit tracking app, man. It's not that complicated to build, and it's not something like some kind of a new invention that humanity has never seen before. Habit tracking app has been around for years and years, and it's just another one of them. All right, but look at how much money he is making. He's making $20,000 per month for one person. Like, I just don't know. Like, it's a lot of money for one app. Like, I'm not looking at this more than the simplicity of the app, of the idea. He didn't bring something new. He just looked at and saw that there are some habit tracking apps. So why cannot make my own and make it better or different? He did that, and he's making money from that. So this is a habit tracking app. Let's look at a to-do-list app. So this is Todoist, one of the most known to-do-list apps. All right, I guess this is not made by one guy, but I used this app before, and hopefully you've used this before, or you can actually try it. And when you compare, like, just when you look at it and say, hey, I can build something similar to this. Like, it's at the end of the day, it is a to-do-list app. And if you go to again to my courses and go to this one here, and both of them, in each of these courses, we are building a to-do-list app. So that you know that for a beginner, he can start building. The first thing he builds or she builds is a to-do-list app. This goes to show you how easy it is to build a to-do-list app with any of the no-code tools we are using on the channel, whether Flow or Bubble. And in the last month, he got 10 times more than Habit Cage, which was already impressive for one person. So they have got 100,000 downloads. Just look at that. I'm not actually lying to you. You can go yourself and search. I'm not actually lying to you. So it's the real data that is talking. I'm not talking. The data is talking here. So as you can see, and look at the revenue. Just I want you to take a moment and just like have a look at this huge number in terms of revenue. And this revenue is not coming from Facebook or Instagram. It is coming from a to-do list app. Just think about it. I want you to understand the fact that these are very, very simple apps, just compared to how much money they are making. So before, ISO Sensor Tower, if you tell me how much habit tracking app is making, the highest number from me will be like $1,000 per month. This is the best thing this app can make. But when I saw this, I was shocked. If you ask me before Sensor Tower how much money would To-Do List make, I would tell you maybe $500, maybe $700 per month. But it's making $300,000 per month. Like 300,000. That's a lot of, that's almost, $500,000. All right. So in 2 months, or like I believe that this app in, let's say 3 months and 10 days, it makes $1 million. Like, it's, for me, it's unbelievable. All right. So if Sensor Tower was not a trusted platform, I wouldn't have believed this number truly exists and truly made by just a To-Do List app. Right. So this just goes to show you that I'm not talking from the void, I'm talking from data. And you can, so if you don't trust me, it's fine, just go to Do This app and look at how much money that they are making on the app at the App Store. We can even look at how much money they are making on the Play Store, which is going to be less, of course. So as you can see here, HabitKit has made, like, on the Play Store, of course, all apps make less money on the App Store, on the Play Store than on the App Store, just because people on Apple are willing to pay more. All right. So on the Play Store, he is making just like $6,000 per month for the habit tracking app. Is still a lot of money. And for the To-Do List app, they are making third of that. So imagine now, $300,000 on the App Store and $100,000 on the Play Store. It's $400,000 in whole, on across both platforms. And for HabitKit, it is $26,000 per month. So this is still a lot of numbers. And again, once you finish this video, you can go ahead and look this up yourself. So here I actually just want to show you the recalculation. This is something I have been telling everybody I know so far about apps. So let's say you have an app. It can be To-Do List app, it can be habit tracking app, it can be a fitness app, it can be whatever. All right. So people must pay $5 per month. And just, I want you to stop. Maybe you are from a country, so I am from Morocco, and $5 per month is not cheap. All right. For, a lot of people can afford it, but if you are from India, for example, like India, or like from African countries, $5 per month might seem like a lot. But if you have an app, but you market it for Europe and America, and if you tell them, hey, just pay $5 per month, for them, it is like paying nothing. So $5 per month for an European or for an American people, like, it looks like nothing to them. All right. So it's easy if you know where to market it. So we have an app that requires people to pay $5 per month, and you, like, after doing the marketing, you have got 1,000 users. So I want you to understand that these apps are getting, like, this one has got 20,000 downloads. This is getting less than 5,000, and on the App Store it has got 10,000 downloads. We are only checking just 1,000. Just imagine, reaching 1,000 people takes some time, takes some money, but it's not hard. So you have 1,000 users. So you have 1,000 users. It's not that much. So multiply 5 by 1,000. Look at how much you are going to be making. And trust me, making this amount of money from one app for one person is a lot of money. Is a lot of money. Like 5,000 per month from an app that you have to think of that you build the app, you market it, and then it sits on the Play Store, on the App Store, making you money. You put a lot of effort up front, but then it pays you back. Just imagine you reach a point where you make this amount of money per month. For me, at least, even if I wasn't from Morocco, even if I was from an European country or an American country, this is still a high number compared to the amount of users. But if you work more, you can get up to 10,000, making 50,000. It's just like a numbers game. You can keep the same price, increase the amount of users, and you'll be making more money, or keep the same amount of users, increase the price, and you may make more money. So this is how apps make money. All right, this is what I like. The per this is exactly what I like. Like, people pay per month. Like in apps, they don't pay once and then they pay you. They if they want to keep using the app, they have to keep paying you, and if they keep paying you, you keep making money. So you can just keep 10,000 users and don't market your app anymore, and you can still be making money. And here I just want to show you that reaching a lot of numbers, a lot of money is not that complicated if you break it down into small pieces. So the first thing is you start with, of course, is an idea, is what you want to build. All right, so you have to keep looking and, like, find an idea that is related to you. I will be making a video on how to find app ideas. Just subscribe right now and I will notify you once I did that. And here we have build and publish. So here is where my courses and my tutorials are going to be so useful for you, because right now it might seem like I only have Bubble for beginners and Flutter for beginners, but I'm working on Flutterflow advanced course and Bubble advanced course. So if you go with Flutterflow, you can go to beginners and the advanced course. It will teach you everything you need to build and publish. The same goes with Bubble. So when it comes to build and publish, this channel is dedicated for that specific purpose. And after you have built and published, by the help of my courses and my videos, you can then move on to marketing. So you have to market that. For now, I'm not focused on marketing. I'm not focused on making content about this month, but I will definitely make it. Trust me, I'm dedicating this whole channel to help people build and earn by building web apps and mobile apps. And definitely marketing is going to be a huge portion of my content in the near future. So, and then you can earn. So again, have an idea, build and publish by the help of my courses, then market your app, and after marketing your app, you will earn from it. So it might seem like a lot of things, but if you break it down, it's very easy, because step 1, 2, 3, 4, that's how you do it. So I really hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope I have actually helped you in a way to make things clear to you, and I hope I have actually given you the right, a good perception of why building apps, web apps or mobile apps, is such a lucrative idea right now. And you have seen the numbers yourself. If you don't trust me, if you think that I made this up, it's fine. You can go to Sensor Tower and look up these apps, and you will see the numbers yourself. All right, so I just did the same on this platform. You can see it here. You can do the same. So again, don't forget that if you need to get started right now to build mobile apps, you can just go with Flutterflow. If you want the web apps, you can go with the Discord. And don't worry, because I'm making more courses, because I promised you I'm dedicating this channel to help you with everything related to all these steps. I'll be making videos helping you with each of them. So from the idea to the build and publishing, which is what we are focusing now, to the marketing, which we will be doing later, and then to earning. So make sure to check this channel out. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.